To find the length of the code word, we have got the formula, that is Li should be greater than or equal to log 2 1 upon pi less than 1 plus log 2 1 upon pi. This is the formula. Okay, for I is equal to 1, we'll get this as log 2 1 upon p1 less than or equal to L1 less than 1 plus log 2 1 upon p1. What is the value of p1? We are going to substitute the value of p1, that is 0.25 less than or equal to L1 less than 1 plus log 1 upon 0.25, and for this we will get the answer as 2 less than or equal to L1 less than 3. See, less than 3, and you have to consider the smallest integer, so that L1 is equal to 2 minutes per message symbol. So I will write here in the tabular column, for length of the code word for the L1, S1 and S1 is 2. Similarly, for I is equal to 2, this becomes log 1 upon P2, and L2, this 1 plus P2. Here the value of P2, we are going to substitute the values of P2. Okay, we are going to substitute the values of P2, so that value of P2 is 0.15 and this is also 0.15. Note here, we have got the two symbols S1, S2, S2, S1 of same probability. So I is equal to 2 and I is equal to 3, the same length you are going to get. Okay, so that by solving this, we get this as that is 2.74 less than or equal to L2 less than 3.74. Okay, in this, the smallest integer is, so I will call this as L2 is equal to L3 is equal to 3. The smallest integer between 2.74 and 3.74 is 3 minutes per message symbol. I will write this in the code table. I will write this 3 and 3. Similarly, see, we have got two probabilities 0.1 for I4 and I5. So I is equal to 4 and I is equal to 5. We have got the probability. So I will write there log 1 upon P4, and the length you will call this as the L4. Okay, and substituting their values, this write that P4 log 2 1 upon 0.1 less than or equal to L4 less than 1 plus log 2 1 upon 0.1. And solving this 0.1, we'll get 3.32 less than or equal to L4 less than 4.42. See, in this value, the integer is 4. So L4 is equal to L5 is equal to 4. The integer is 4. So we'll get that for 0.4 it is integer 4. Okay, and meanwhile solving, we will get the different values. Okay, as procedure. Okay, I'll write this as like this. In the further writing, you'll get the whatever mentioned here, the same value you're going to get. Okay, it has been shown here in the table. Next, binary expansion. Okay, for 0, for F1 is equal to 0, the binary expansion can be written as dot 0 0 0 0, like this. Okay, like this. Binary expansion for 0 is 0 0 0 0. Then now F2. What is F2? It is 0.25. F2 is 0.25. So 0.25 into 2, we get 0.5 with the carry 0. Similarly, 0.5 into 2 is equal to 1.0 with the carry 1. So 0.0 into 2 is equal to 0.0 with the carry 0. So I will write this as 0 1 0. For S2, I will write this as 0 1 0. Similarly, for F3, Okay, F3, what is F3? F3 we got it as, okay, 0.4. That is 0.4. Okay, solving from, okay, 0.4. So you have to convert this 0.4 into binary expansion. So 0.4 into 2, that is 0.8. So with carry 0. So 0.8 into 2, this becomes 1.6 with carry 1. So take 0.6, already 1 has been taken there. So say 0.6 into 2, that is 1.2 with carry 1. So 0.2 into 2, it is 0.4 with carry 0. So you have to select from the top to bottom. So you can write this as dot 0 1 1 0, dot 0 1 1 0. Okay. Similarly, F5, F1, F2, F3, F4. F4 is 0.55. 0.55 into 2 becomes 0, 1, 1.0. So with carry 1. Okay, next 0.1 into 2 is equal to 0.2 with carry 0. So 0.2 into 2 is equal to 0.4 with carry 0. So 0.4 into 2 is equal to 0.8 with carry 0. Okay, 0.8 into 2, 0.8 into 2 is equal to 1.6 with carry 1. So 5 digits I have taken. So from the top to bottom it becomes 0.10001. Okay, in the similarly, by writing all these for all these values, we will get this as, for 0.65 we will get this as 101,001. For 0.75 we get this as 0.111,000. For 0.84 we will get this as 11,01,01. For 0.90 we will get this as 111.111,001. For 0.96, 0.41 followed by 01. This is the binary expansion how we get. See, according to the length of the code, length of the individual code word, you have to write. But this is 2, so that, and you have to remove the decimal point. Okay, and this is the only length is 2. So the code word for the symbol 1 is 00. And for symbol 2 is 010. Symbol 3 is also length 3, so 011. Symbol 4 is 4, so 1000. Symbol 5 is also length 4, so 010. For symbol points and symbol 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For symbol 6, this is again the length 4, 1100. For symbol 7, the length 5, so it is 11010. And for symbol 8, that is 11100. For symbol 9, that is 4 ones followed by 0. See, this is the length. This is the length of the code. See, we have completed the tabulation. Now thing is, you have to find the efficiency. We have to find the efficiency for the circuit. Sorry, efficiency for the this type of the coding. Okay, we know that first you have to find the average length. See, h of s, okay, average length, that is L is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to, and 9 symbols are here, the pi into small li. So I'll write this as, okay, I'll write this as, what is P1? Directly I'll write P1 is 0.25 into 3 plus 0.15 into 3 into 2. Because 2, there is 2 more. So that of same probability 0.15. So I'll write that 0.15 into 3 into 2 plus probability 0.1, and their length is 4, and it is their length is 4. So I'll write this as into 2. Similarly, plus, next we got 0.09 and its length is 4. Next we got 0.06, their length is 5, it occurs 2 times. So I'll write this one. Plus 0.04 into 5. And answer of this, okay, we'll get this answer as 3.36 minutes per message symbol. 3.36 minutes per message symbol. Similarly, h of s is equal to summation for I is equal to 1 to 9 pi log 1 upon pi. Pi log 1 upon pi, that is 0.25 log 1 upon 0.25 plus 2 into 0.15 log 1 upon 0.15 plus 2 into 0.1 log 1 upon 0.1 plus 0.9 log 1 upon 0.9 plus 2 into 0.6 log 1 upon 0.6 plus 0.06, 0.09, 0.04 log 1 upon 0.04. And solving all this, we will get this as 2.971. H of s is equal to 2.971. See, there is another approach. We know that h of s square, second extension, no, you have to write it as h of s square. We know that h of s square is equal to twice the h of s. From that also we get the same answer, 2.971. For that also we get the same answer, 2.71. So you can go with this or you can go in this formula. So both are same. So it will be time consuming. You go through their probability. This will be very much time reduced. So efficiency is equal to h of s square by L2. We call this as an L2. Okay. That is nothing but 2.971 divided by 3.36. 2.971 divided by 3.36. It is 88.42%. This is 88.42%. Similarly, the redundancy is equal to 1 minus efficiency, that is 11.58%. 11.58%. See, at the beginning of the problem, okay, where we got efficiency was 86%. See, in the first extension, the efficiency was 86%, whereas in the second extension, the efficiency is 88.4%. It tells that in the increasing the extension of the source, the percentage code efficiency is going to be improved. Okay, thank you. We'll meet in some other problem. Thank you.